This is the luxury world. Get inspired with us today and tomorrow. If you were to visit Rolex today, you would not be able to purchase the watch you want outright. Instead, you would likely be placed on a waitlist, depending on their inventory shortages. During this wait, Rolex often raises prices multiple times. By the time your turn comes, you will pay the current market rate, which could be significantly higher than when you joined the waitlist several years earlier. The watch market has undergone significant changes since the onset of the pandemic. The Rolex waiting list acts more like an interest list instead of a strict first-come, first-served queue. Each store maintains its list, as there is not a company-wide list. Depending on supply levels, some models have longer wait times. For many hopeful Rolex owners, buying one is not as simple as walking into a store. The waitlist, enveloped in secrecy and fueled by rumors, has become a significant challenge. In today's video brought to you by the Luxury World, we will delve into the realities of Rolex waitlists, cutting through the hype to offer insights into the factors that determine how long you'll wait for your desired Rolex. If you have not subscribed to our channel yet, we invite you to do so to stay informed about our upcoming videos. Rolex dealers prioritize personal visits, and local loyalty remains important. When you visit, clearly communicate your preferences. Vague requests will not be as effective. As previously noted, the wait time for a Rolex watch is influenced by factors such as the customer's relationship with the retailer, purchase history, and the production volume of each specific reference per year. We will examine these factors in detail later in this video. For now, let us explore the typical waiting times for some of the most renowned and highly sought-after Rolex watches. Rolex GMT Master 2. Let us start our discussion with the Rolex GMT Master 2, starting with the Pepsi model, which is considered one of the most difficult to obtain, rivaling the Daytona. Expect a wait of approximately 3 to 5 years and be prepared for a markup of 110% above MSRP, more than double the retail price. Moving on to the Batman model, the wait time decreases to 1 to 4 years with a 60% markup. The Root Beer model offers somewhat easier accessibility, ranging from 6 months to 3 years with an 18% increase. Similarly, the Black and Gray model commands a premium of about 16% over MSRP within the same time. For those interested in the solid gold GMT Master 2 models, the situation varies widely. Wait times can range from immediate availability to up to 10 months, with markups ranging from 0 to about 8%. Potential buyers of these luxurious models might find success by visiting a store and purchasing one immediately, depending on availability and store policies. Retailers are aware of the high demand in the secondary market, particularly for popular models like Pepsi. If a retailer mentions a long wait time or uncertain availability, do not be discouraged. Regarding rumors about production issues with Pepsi models, it is advisable to approach them skeptically. Rolex Day Date. Let us break down the details for the Rolex Day Date. For the stainless steel Day Date 41 with a fluted bezel, wait times range from 2 months to 3 years, accompanied by price markups of 10% to 40% above MSRP. Opting for the smooth bezel version reduces the wait to a maximum of 2 years, with premiums ranging from 10% to 28%. The smaller 36mm version with a fluted bezel may require up to a year to obtain, potentially with a higher premium of up to 38%. Conversely, the 36mm smooth bezel version has the shortest wait time, from a few weeks to 10 months, with a similar premium. Two-tone and ladies' Day Date models generally do not have a waiting list and are available without additional cost on the secondary market, offering a wider selection. If you prefer Jubilee bracelets or distinctive mint or blue dials, they remain popular choices. For ladies' Day Date models, the process is straightforward. You can visit a store, select your preferred model, and purchase it at the listed price without needing a prior history with the brand. Rolex Submariner. Wait times for this watch vary considerably. For a stainless steel Submariner with a black bezel, the wait can range from as short as 3 months to as long as 2 years. These models often command a significant markup over retail prices. This starburst finish version can have a waiting period of 6 months to 3 years, accompanied by a noticeable price increase. The solid gold Submariner typically has more relaxed wait times, ranging from immediate availability to about 10 months, with no additional markup on the secondary market. In recent years, wait times for Submariners have generally decreased. While the longest wait might be around 2 years, many customers are receiving their watches in less than a year. Rolex Daytona. Let us explore the Rolex Daytona range, a collection coveted by VIPs. Waiting times vary significantly. The popular Panda model ranges from 2 to 8 years, with a substantial 132% premium over MSRP in the market. The black version follows closely with a slightly lower premium of 92%. Shifting to the two-tone Daytona, the wait time narrows to 6 months to 2 years with a modest 10% premium. For those interested in the solid gold Daytona, expect similar wait times but a 20% markup on the secondary market. Historically, even before the card hype, Daytonas have always been highly sought after. From pre-ceramic models to present-day editions, they consistently trade above their retail price. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Let us delve into the Rolex Oyster Perpetual, particularly focusing on the turquoise model affectionately known as the Tiffany. This watch is reserved for high-profile individuals, with a waiting period of 2 to 5 years and an impressive 146% premium above MSRP. The 36mm variants follow closely, with a 100% markup and similar wait times. The Celebration dial, also in VIP territory, ranges from 1 to 5 years with a 13% markup. Moving to the Oyster Perpetual 41 with the Celebration dial, expect a wait of 3 to 5 years and a 205% markup. Turning to more readily available models, the 36mm or 41mm with a green dial can be acquired in 2 months to 3 years with a 43% markup. Similarly, the silver or black dial versions of the same sizes range from 2 months to 3 years with markups between 10% to 35%. As observed with the day-date, watches featuring distinctive dials command higher premiums, and unique dials can significantly enhance a watch's appeal and value, particularly at auctions. Rolex Explorer. Finally, the 36mm Explorer model is quite accessible, with wait times ranging from a month to a year, and there is virtually no markup above MSRP. The 42mm Explorer extends the wait to a few months to 2 years, with a substantial 133% markup. The Explorer 2 requires a wait of 5 months to 3 years, but with a more modest 20% markup. For those seeking immediate gratification, exploring the secondary market or opting for pre-owned watches can be a smart choice. This approach often leads to better deals or savings, particularly appealing to watch enthusiasts searching for that perfect piece without the typical wait. Rolex waitlists are influenced by several factors. Primarily, they arise from the imbalance between high demand and limited supply. Rolex maintains a meticulous production process, crafting approximately 1 million watches annually. However, this output falls short of the increasing global demand for these luxury timepieces. Secondly, Rolex operates through a network of authorized dealers who manage their waitlists rather than using a centralized company-wide list. These dealers prioritize customers with a history of purchases, fostering loyalty that significantly impacts wait times. This approach also serves a strategic purpose. The wait itself often enhances the desire for the watch and encourages repeat business with the authorized dealer, which aligns with Rolex's broader business strategy. Many individuals have faced challenges with Rolex authorized dealers and may choose to avoid them due to the inconvenience, lengthy waits, or uncertainty. Nowadays, it is more crucial than ever to purchase your luxury watches from a reputable gray market dealer. What are your impressions on the Rolex topic we shared in this video? If you enjoyed the video, we would appreciate it if you let us know by leaving a comment and giving it a thumbs up. Do not forget to follow our channel for more content. Thank you for watching The Luxury World, and we look forward to having you join us in our upcoming videos.